All right, we got the Spec Corvette back on the lift. I'm going to show you real quick. This is our old Superlite kit. We made quite a few of these. It's a 6-piston Ford Superlite caliper. It's the wide one, which uses a 20mm thick brake pad. That's good. It's a 74-20 shape if you're interested. And that's a stock C5 size front brake rotor, 325mm by 32mm. As you can see, these brakes fit inside the rear C506 speed lines, the 18x10.5s, and they're going to clear with the 17s. We're going to show you that in a second. However, the detail about them, depending on the rotor, because you could run this with a one-piece rotor as well, but I think you may have to run a thin spacer then, because the one-piece rotor has a thinner flange than the two-piece disc. So we'll toss on this. I got a 17 right here. We'll check that in a sec. And then we're going to take it all off and put it on the Spec Corvette kit. Thanks. All right, so I actually think I was wrong. This is 17, the regular front C506 front speed line. That clears pretty good. There's at least 3 or 4 millimeters here. That flange is, I think, 1 millimeter thicker than a one-piece rotor. So this kit fits the stock wheels. That's probably as good as it gets for a brake kit that fits in those wheels. And we will try to get this back for sale in early 2025. On to Spec Corvette front brakes. Okay, so quick review. We did a one-piece Spec Corvette kit to potentially save you a bunch of money. The kits are $2,600 with the two-piece rotors. The rotor that's in the front Spec Corvette kit is a C606 front. So we just sort of broke the kit up a little bit. You see on our website, I think it says KNS one-piece Spec Corvette kit. Solid name. Anyway, what you're going to get for that are the Aero-6 calipers that comes with that kit. 6-piston, made for the 20mm thick Wilwood pad, 6620 pad shape. You're going to new set of caliper bracket bolts with all the shims needed to set the caliper up correctly. Brackets with studs pre-installed. Set of brake lines for your C5 or C6. It's a different line, but you do have to get those because the fitting on the Wilwood caliper is different. Those are included. Let's get you a 355 by 32mm C6Z06 rotor setup. You can run a one-piece KNS rotor, a rotor of your choice, or a Gyrodisc two-piece rotor, a Wilwood two-piece rotor. As long as it fits a C6Z06, it'll work. And you'll see that's the pad. The annulus matches nicely. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the front of our C5 Spec Corvette and be back shortly to show you a similar kit for the rear. This presents a nice gap between the stock brakes on any C5 or C6 and then a more expensive dedicated big brake kit. Some of those are in the $5,000 to $6,000 range now. So this is a nice middle ground. Again, you get a fixed caliper, a thick pad that's available in all kinds of racing compounds, but in a more affordable rotor choice, etc. All right, thank you. Hi, we're looking at the rear caliper kit for the C5 and C6 chassis now. Similar as the front we just showed you. We're going to let you choose your own rotors and pads. I know you like that. Good reason for that. Anyway, same thing. Brackets. This time it's a Wilwood Superlite. It's a 4-piston Ford Superlite caliper. It uses the 74-16 pad shape and works with the C6Z06 rear one-piece rotor. This is really good on any of the C5s or C6s, including the Z51, to get rid of that little tiny rear pad and floating caliper. Again, it's a very common pad shape. A couple details. We use the spacers to put the caliper out at the right diameter for the rear disc. This is a C6Z06 rear disc, so you do maintain your rear parking brake. That's a benefit for many. You will get bolts and lines. You got to have lines because, again, the Wilwood calipers use the MPT fittings. Caliper or brackets come with studs pre-installed, all the hardware, caliper bracket hardware, etc. Of note, the regular 74-16 shape does leave a little bit of unswept area on the disc. It's not our favorite thing to do, but on the rear of the car, I don't see that being a huge issue. However, there's also a wider annulus. There's a used pad, so it's a little dirty. So this is a 42 millimeter annulus on the 7416 pad. You can get those for great prices and all kinds of race friction. The 50 millimeter annulus definitely has a better fit, as you'll see, covers the swept area very well. A little bit less choices of pad compounds at a little higher price, but you get more material and a better fit to the disc. You can run either one in this caliper on that rotor, your call. We'll have this on the website soon. Again, that good mid-level rear kit. In this case, I think it's a big improvement over that little tiny one single piston pad that's on the C5s and non-Z06 C6s. It's even a good option for maybe a C6 Z06 to get out of those PBR calipers with the pins and whatnot, where the pads are kind of goofy. It'll be on the website soon. Thank you.